Plug it in and get ready to rock.
Sit your ass down with the hands of the clock.
With Renegade Pineapple so sublime.
Like, comment, subscribe. It's time! Yeah.
Hello and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank.
Oh no, here's more zappy things.
Little fucking stick figured bastards. It's up here by the sheds.
Yeah.
Broke into.
As you can see, if you guys watched the last episode,
We have all the stuff to do this planet now.
Yeah.
Basically.
we're gonna do this entire planet.
Whoa. Radical, dude. Alright.
Oh, that was short-lived.
Supposed to jump across. Oh, you got all the bolts. Worthwhile.
Yay!
Oh, whoa.
Whoa!
Who are you? Tony Hawk's?
Uh-oh.
Or some kind
Shit.
of Tony Hawk's type person?
Ooh. Yeah, gotta watch out for those blue things.
And the mines.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Hey, you still landed it.
Whoa. I don't even know where I'm supposed to be going.
This is very PS2.
Shit.
Grinding
Oh,
along
I'm
this
gonna
kind of
die.
stuff. Jump! Wait, jump! Jump! Jump!
Oh, this is fuckery.
Jump!
No!
At least it's so easy to go back and do it again. Oh, it even loads you right at the point. They expect you to die.
It's almost as if they did that intentionally.
Yeah.
Now, why would the video game do something like that?
Oh.
Oh fuck.
And instant death. Or was that just take off one?
That was just instant death.
Yeah, cool. That's better than the mines.
Yeah, Ratchet can't swim.
No, nobody on PS2 could swim.
Yeah, apparently nobody trained them. Just, whoa.
Except for like, if
Whoa.
there was an Echo the Dolphin game on the PS2. You missed it.
Yeah, I don't know what's down here, though.
More bolts.
Oh.
Probably should have taken you back to
Bolts.
the beginning again.
Yeah,
Oh, no,
that's
yeah,
exactly
it's
what
just
it
that
did.
loop. Yeah. That's
Well,
fine.
at least
Some
we know.
bolts. At least we've uncovered the mystery.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have been able to go on. I would have questioned my whole life.
Whoa.
That's it.
Whoa. Haha.
It'd be good if you could do some tricks or something.
Yeah, well, at least
Make
a
it
double
more like
jump.
Tony Hawk.
Whoa. No! Whoa.
Switch up your grinds and stuff. That one's a bit difficult. Isn't it?
Yeah.
You're gonna do that pretty last minute.
Oh, fuck.
Way
I'm
too
dead.
early.
I'm dead.
Don't be a pessimist, then you won't get to live. Have confidence. At
This is
least
why
try.
Well, this is why I was pessimistic.
That doesn't mean that it was a good thing. If
That
you're
just
right,
means I was right.
if you're right to be pessimistic, the bad thing has still happened.
Okay. Okay, Cross the Philosopher. Okay.
It doesn't work. I was going to try and combine the words. It doesn't work. Crossosophy. Crossosophy.
Yeah.
I feel Christopher.
Christopher.
That's better. Phil Christopher.
That just sounds like you're trying to call yourself Christopher.
No. Phil Christopher.
Phil
It
Christopher.
sounds like I'm trying to call myself Phil Christopher.
Phil Christopher. Phil Christopher the Phil Christopher.
Oh, I thought that was way too early. You were
Ooh.
lucky then. How does he go up, is my question.
I'm jumping off of that shit before.
That's just bolts, but that's...
Bolts,
a nice little ring to get bolts on.
bolts. And I've missed the jump.
Nah.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Too early.
That
Way
was way
too early.
too early.
Who's even fucking down here? This is just
It better be
bolts.
fucking worth it.
What's the point of this fucking death trap? Who constructed this? And put...
Whoa.
Who made this and decided to put mines on it?
It's almost as if they didn't want us to complete it.
Hey.
Oh, yay!
What are you doing? We are on a mission to save the galaxy.
We got there in the end.
Put your hands down. You look
I think we probably should have put the subtitles on.
Yeah, can you put subtitles on?
Yeah.
Then why don't we have subtitles on this whole time?
I don't know.
Always put the subtitles on. Makes it easier for the people watching as well.
Noble mind hiding. I just want to get home to my family. Here,
Oh, he wants to get home to... Oh, we got an info bot.
some bolts for
Oh, sweet. It's a new planet.
Yeah.
It was worth it then.
Oh, for fuck's sake, we've got to pay him 2,000 bolts, which we haven't got.
You need
Yeah.
2,000 bolts. You
Of
only
which
got
we have 1,000.
So
On the
wait.
bright side,
Oh,
it's
there's a
unlocked it,
teleporter.
yeah.
I was going to say, fuck me, you're going to have to do that whole thing again once you get the bolts. So
Oh,
we
we
can just go do the other thing with the Devastator.
Oh, we can kill these motherfuckers.
It ain't going to be 1,000 bolts. That's going to be less than 100. But you can go do the tank now that you have the Devastator.
Yeah. But look at
that'll
look
give
at
you
Ratchet's
some.
little sad ears. I need some help.
Are you going to call him Cratchit?
Cratchit.
Is that Bob Cratchit?
It's Terry Pratchett.
Terry Pratchett.
Gonna write me some good old novel, and he's dead.
Ah, not Bob Cratchit. Who will look after Tiny Tim?
He's gonna have to look after himself now. He can't stay tiny forever. Get over your limpy suckers, man. Grow up, be a man. Yeah, you do my bidding for me.
Use your minions, your,
Yes.
your Tiny Tims.
My army of tiny Tims. I was calling him Oliver.
What's on the
Please,
left?
sir, can
There was
I
like
have
a
some
green
death?
thing on the left.
Oh, I think that's probably like bolts and shit.
Yeah, exactly.
Which is exactly what we
You're lucky
need.
I'm observant.
Oh, whoa, whoa, this
Ooh,
is
hello.
fuckery.
Right.
Right, puzzle guy, help.
Do you want me to just do it?
Yes,
How'd you go in a ring? Down.
yeah.
So, what's that? The only reason this is complicated is because it's hard to see what's available. You can't tell what's going on at all to fucking work any of it out.
It's way more complex than it needs to be.
This is genuinely quite hard. So that can't be like that because it would block that one. Shit, I thought I had it then.
It's tense. So tense.
This is genuinely hard. It's because if you could just turn on one of them at a time, you'd be able to see what you can do. But it's just too much of a fucking clusterfuck looking at it. That's where it makes sense to me.
Yeah, and that one's blocked. I have an idea, start in the middle. Work your way out.
What? How is that an idea? That's not a solving, that's what I've done 3 times.
Oh.
Starting in the middle makes no difference because all the other things are blocking it. And it's hard to see which beams are actually connected to which bit. Right, so this has got to connect to... The way I would logically solve this is that there's 2 next to each other. So it would go to 2 that were next to each other, but there aren't 2 next to each other. So it doesn't really make much difference. Whereas that hits 2 things. That blocks the thing. Fuck! I don't know how to do this. What planet are we on? Shall I just Google it?
Yeah,
What's it called?
Planet War? I don't know.
This is a trespasser, isn't it?
Yeah. We are on Fort Krontos.
Krontos.
Yeah.
With a K.
Yeah, with a K. Done it.
Oh, well done. While I was still looking it up. Carry on.
Okay. And we're back. Did we leave? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Because I'm
whoa,
just
whoa.
going to leave that bit in, because you solved it. They're weird
Oh,
puzzles.
yeah.
They're just. I feel like they're not. They wouldn't be as difficult if you could turn one set of lights on at a time.
Yeah, it
They're
was
quite hard to look at.
There's too much going on in that.
Oh, you got 2000 now?
Yeah.
We'll just go straight back to
Yep.
You're lucky we go into this thing then.
Well,
That
thank you,
saves a
Cross.
little bit of time.
And we've not only done that, we've doubled our bolt intake.
It's like a fucking business plan.
Yes.
We have doubled our business intake in the course of a year.
Yeah.
Deserter.
You're-
He's a deserter, or is that the weapon?
No, he is the
He is
deserter.
a deserter.
Yeah.
Thanks a bunch. Good luck saving the galaxy or
Sweet.
whatever.
So he just committed
Yeah,
suicide.
it's just jumped into the ocean to die.
Chairman Drake, as you can see, we're about to test
Ooh.
our newest automated...
Oh, this looks like an interesting planet.
This helmet allows pilots to control our latest high-tech...
Or just that thing is
using only
interesting.
their thoughts.
Yeah, no shit.
Please enjoy the demonstration.
No. Well, that didn't work out as planned.
We still have a few...
Oh no.
minor
Oh no,
adjustments.
my ship.
You're gonna get the helmet for something though.
Yeah.
Worked out of that thing. I have got to get me one of those.
If they are working for Chairman Drake, they may know where he is.
Yeah, nobody cares about Chairman Drake. He just wants that ship.
That's just the story of the game.
Yeah.
No one cares about that.
You do have...
No one cares about that space Napoleon.
Smart. How come you fell for Quark's stupid trick?
Well, you can finish off this planet now we're here.
Yeah.
So might as well go do
That's all that matters.
the tank.
Infobot for planet Gaspar.
Gaston.
Gaston. Woohoo!
It generally makes everything faster using that thing. I bet people who speedrun
what's
this
up there?
game use that.
Oh, there's just boxes.
Careful boxes.
Anything else up here?
Probably not.
No. Whoa! Don't jump off.
What's down there though? Ooh, what's that thing?
Oh, that's the thing that was spawning those robots.
Oh. I see you saw them coming back.
Yeah.
Nice. They didn't seem like that difficult an enemy to really need a spawner. Gold bolt.
Ooh, gold ball.
Jump that gap with the thing. That long distance jump. Nope.
And it.
Probably go around the side of the building though. Do we need
That's
the gold
a
bolt?
shame.
We've missed most of them.
We don't need it, but it's gold. Gold and it
Jump
looks
over the
important.
pipes. Just leave it.
Okay, I'll leave it.
We'll be here forever for something that's not going to matter because we've only got like 2 of them.
But it's 2 more than we
Unless,
would have
well, I
had.
suppose I don't know how many you need to unlock the other stuff. Maybe you don't need all of them to unlock stuff.
Zerp. Wait, get out from that plant, you.
He is the plant.
Oh fuck, it's
the
that tank.
tank,
It's
yeah.
that tank.
With the Devastator.
Oh shit!
Not the glove. The glove's not going to do anything. Isn't that why we had to go and get the Devastator? Because of the tank?
Where is it? Where is it? Where? There it is. There it is. You sexy weapon. You.
Oh. Don't get weird with the weapons.
That's the whole point of the game, man.
No, flirting with your tools.
I'll float.
Imagine like a woodworker just being like, I love this saw.
Then I showed my tools, my tools.
One day, me and this saw could be together. No one could stop us.
50 Shades of Carpentry. And
No,
then.
it should be a file because it could be called 50 Shades of Grey.
Die. Die.
Oh, still gonna die. Finish it off.
And I'm dead.
Why are you attacking the little robots with it instead of the tank? Ignore
I
the other
don't
crap
know.
that won't kill you. Just go for the thing that keeps killing you.
Planet War. Ow. That hurt. My metallic ass. Yeah. Go fuck yourself, man. Hit me with your gun. Who do you think you are?
Alright.
Oh shit.
Bit health in there.
Yeah. I was thinking more just a hiding place.
Yeah, that's true. And it's more ammo for the Devastator. That's pretty good. There it is, there it is. There's a good hiding place. Go. Keep going. It locks on. When the green thing's there, just keep firing.
Well, the gun's
It's
gone.
not going to attack you now, but what can it do? Run over you. Hey!
Hey!
Yeah,
Get
you can go down that
fucked.
far. Don't die now. Just leave him. Run, get the health before you die.
Oh, look at his little ears. Oh.
He's so sad.
He's sad that he's dying.
Well, yeah. It's understandable, really.
Oh, it's not. It's not understandable at all.
What, being sad about nearly dying?
Oh, there's something up here. And, oh, why do I keep on doing that? Oh, yeah. It's next gen thing. Pressing circle to go back instead
Oh,
of...
instead of triangle.
What's on top of there? Nothing. Whoa.
Whoa! Oh, there's another fucking tank. You sat here and fight it, at least.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh, fuck.
Dang it!
Oh,
Push
what?
all the way back here.
That's bull.
It's annoying. Run to your cave again. Ignore all this crap. Just run past it. You'll be here forever fighting this shit. And you keep losing health when you fight it. Just run past everything.
Well, these guys I kind of have to fight.
Why?
Because they're shooting at me.
Run past them. They won't hit you. Now you've lost 2 health. You need to conserve the health for the thing you actually need to fight.
Right, now they're gone. Oh, where's that cave?
There.
So it gives me some ammo that I don't really need.
You will need afterwards. Nice.
Oh, that one's sorted. Yeah.
Oh, no, don't hit me.
How dare you hit me?
Get a little bit more health here. Then you can use the glove to defeat the 2 that were shooting at you last time.
Oh, good shout.
And
Good
then
shout.
use the Devastator to kill the tank.
Why did I not think of that?
You get more ammo. Bam. Oh, that's more glove. So there's going to be more Devastator ammo. They're both dead?
Yeah, they're both
sweet.
dead.
Now fuck up the tank. You can do it from here.
Yeah, buddy.
Can you lock on from there or are you too far? You can lock on. I remember it took all 10 last time, so try not to miss any. Well, no, didn't you? Missed one, I think, so.
And it took 5.
It's gonna miss. You're gonna need most of them. Oh. Now, how did you only have? Oh, from the previous time. Fair play.
Oh, fucking hell. Yes, I'm gonna need to
You
use these little guys.
kill them, and then you guys screw in the things on the floor, haven't you? There's like 3 of them.
Yeah. Don't attack me, I'm your master.
They're just coming back to you because they love you. They're running around your legs like a cat.
Ha ha ha. Fuck you, guy.
Oh, you're building a bridge.
Oh, it's halfway there. I think that's one.
Yeah. Oh no, it's just that's the plant they turn into. There's one. Minions will get him anyway. They pop out. This is an elaborate way to have this bridge come out.
Yeah. Imagine if that's how all building projects work.
Yeah.
Oh, get the ratchet out.
But actually, to be fair, that was pretty quick. But actually, it
it's
seems
true.
unnecessarily elaborate. Even in like fucking Wimbledon when it starts raining, it's like, hold on for half an hour
Yeah.
while we get the fucking roof across.
It should take 5 minutes, but it takes
Well,
half an hour.
they need some of this technology, so they just whack a span around it, tie it up, and then the roof's closed. Done.
Blast the thing, boom, bird, fight everything.
Tried. See ya.
Not so fast, soldier. You're going into that compound even if I have to throw you.
Awesome. Oh, yeah, we get magnetic boots as well.
Soldier, find a
You
way
walk
to
up
use
walls
that
with those.
shaft
Yeah.
to infiltrate the compound undetected. You've shown bravery by making it this far, soldier. And for that, I reward you.
Oh, no,
Oh,
we've
what?
got 2 planets to go
You
to.
might find useful. Take it.
Think of all the possibilities.
Good luck.
Hello once again, fellow blog. I hope this must
Oh, he's
find
making
you
swift
well.
progress to that
As
planet.
many of you know, our home planet is no longer habitable. We've abandoned
gonna
our
slowly turn it into
factories,
Pac-Man.
our laboratories, and our
Just before it's
happy
finished,
lives
there's just like one
because of
wedge
the
missing.
approaching pollution. All we need to create is a new which is nearing completion. Once
Man,
our
he's got a
scientists
sweet
locate
ponytail.
the ideal
Yeah.
orbit,
He's got that Steven Seagal ponytail going on.
Yeah.
so reserve your
Do you think
space
he's supposed to be
now.
aging
Our
with Steven
locations
Seagal?
are filling up fast.
Is he
Yes,
tiny
he
or
is.
is he giant?
I think
Now
he's...
you understand why
Oh,
we must
I
stop
think
him.
Because
that's...
he looks tiny in the videos, but do you show up and he's actually a giant?
Yeah?
And he
No, he is just tiny.
and he knows martial arts.
Bigger than the galaxy.
Is he Steven Seagal in space?
Well, different fish.
Space
anyway.
Seagal.
Look,
Not
that commander
Space
got you
Seagal.
to Get into that compound.
Yes, by using the ventilation shaft. But we will need something special to walk on that.
Oh, so no,
Yeah.
you don't get those boots. You need those boots.
Yeah,
You will need
so we need to go to
So
the
you
other
can use the
planet.
info box to go to. It's going to be on one of those 2 other planets, isn't it?
Our scanners do not
Yeah,
detect
it is.
any
And I've just fucked.
And he's dead for no reason. On the next episode, we're going to go get those magnetic boots, probably.
And
Or
I'm
we
not
might-
gonna
Or it
die.
might turn out that we go and get something else because we don't know which planet they're on.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Fish.
Yeah.
It's the name of my restaurant. We sell only the bad parts of fugu. It's like a euthanasia restaurant. It's like, come here to die.